It's an honor for me to have the opportunity to be a part of the Minnetonka Schools community, and more specifically Vantage, as a volunteer, a company sponsor, and most importantly as a dad. What an amazing program run by fantastic people who care about our students by offering them an incredible opportunity to take what these students learn in the walls of a classroom and apply those lessons to real-world business situations in our community businesses. As Benjamin Franklin once said, "Tell me and I will forget, teach me and I may remember, but involve me and I will learn." It is a win for all of us having this program as part of our school and community, and for myself and my company Sencha Tea Bar that focus so much on the health and well-being of our community. It is an honor to do all we can to support this incredible program. Thank you for Vantage for all you do for our school, for our students, and for our community.